So back in 2022, NAR published this stat that said 90% of real estate agents leave the industry in the first 2 years. Now, I know that there was like a global health issue going on, so perhaps that number is skewed, but that one really hit me hard. And I'm a real estate technologist. I build real estate software tools to help you guys be successful in business. And that was something that I decided personally that I was going to try and fix. And the last 3 years have been very fun, but very hard because that is such a lofty goal. But I want to show you what I've been able to build inside our modern real estate CRM to help you guys. If you feel like you are new in real estate and still cannot figure it out or still struggling to get across that 10 transaction mark, this one's for you. So this is the Systems Accelerator Manager. Now we call it SAM for short, but inside of SAM, obviously this is an area where you can generate a lot of resources. And the cool thing about that is you can turn these resources into lead magnets, which helps bring leads into your business, which we always need more of. But that's not what we're going to look at today. We're actually going to look at these quests. Now, these quests are built so that you can start zooming in on specific areas of focus in your business. And some of the most important ones to help new real estate agents are going to be this getting started. Now, what you're going to cover inside this is figuring out who you're going to serve or work with, what your brand voice is going to be across all the platforms, building out social media strategy, reviewing how you get and make testimonials and reviews, any local sponsorships. Basically, as you go through all of these, it will give you a little check mark, but all you have to do is click this little play button, and then the system is going to walk you through exactly what you need. Now, the first step it's going to do is ask you a couple of questions. It's going to pre-fill all these answers, but then you just go in here and you type out exactly what you are hoping to accomplish. Now, I'm not going to fill this out for sake of video speed, but once you do that, you click start, and Sam is going to get to work, and it's going to create a client testimonial video for this specific one, but it's going to create a plan. Now, is this a final product? Do we now know exactly what we're doing? Absolutely not. So we can do a couple of things, one of which would be to expand all of this content. Then Sam is going to think through all of the different content that we are building. Now, this does take a second, but we are going section by section, looking at each of these and expanding it so that we can have a better understanding. Now, right now, we're at 451 words, but let's see what we get to in the very end. All right, looks like Sam is now completed, and boom, now we have something that's got a little meat to it. So then all we would have to do is get in there and edit it, then we could save it, and we could start using this to refine all of our understanding of exactly what we need to do to get client testimonial videos. We have to know exactly where we're headed so that we can start running in that direction. But as soon as we do, we can use a tool like Sam to know what direction we need to head in so we can start bringing leads into our business. We can start cultivating them and nurturing them with some of the automations that are built inside. We have a full all-in-one CRM for contacts, properties, transactions, and listings. And the power of using a modern CRM system means that Sam is actually going to help you at every step in the direction. Anytime you learn a detail about a client or a lead, it can be leveraged by the system to make that conversation more personal with them. So there's some really cool stuff. Now, if you think that this would be an asset to your business, go visit sam.workflowsecrets.info. You can get 14 days of free access, and you can start getting inside, focusing in on all of these quests. Imagine in 14 days, you were able to build the business infrastructure you needed, and then you could spend the rest of the month running as fast as you possibly can to start closing deals. That is the power of Sam. I'll see you inside.